So this is a 3D print scale model of the Conquerors of Space statue above the Cosmonautics Museum in Moscow. I had to print the rocket a little bigger. Any smaller than this and it didn't really look like a rocket anymore. And it needs to be attached with a tiny piece of blue tack, although white tack probably would be better for this color scheme. The LED is just a $1 electric candle LED, and instead of using the regular batteries that come with it in here, what I've done is I've made a battery compartment down the bottom here. So there are 3 AAA batteries, rechargeable ones, 1.2 volts, seem to work for this, and that just slides in there. Nice. It's not completely perfect, the model. It's a little bit messy at the bottom here. You might need like a screwdriver or a pair of scissors just to make the hole here a bit bigger. I tried to make it bigger, but it was just more bother than it's worth. Alrighty, there we go.